She is materialistic. Objects makes her happy and content to spend more, but not always loyal. And I'm not talking about all women, majority of materialistic women, not all. So to tell all you guys out there, the money mans, run out of your money and you lose her. I'm just saying. That's how I look at it. Now, number two, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Number two is a submissive woman. She's a loving and caring woman that understands her man providence. She's a woman that needs nourishment and love. What I mean by that, that is respect, love, and caring always. That keeps her loyal and grounded in being submissive. And what I mean by submissive, nothing like making her do this and telling her what she better do. No. She just know how to be a woman and know how to nourish her home and her children. That's what that means about a submissive woman. And she's submissive to her man needs with love. And that love comes from you both. That is what you call a submissive woman. My opinion. All of these are my opinion. So if you have your thoughts about it, leave it in a comment. Let me know. Let everybody know how you feel about it, okay? I would like to hear from you guys. And number three, alpha female. She is talented, highly motivated, and self-confidence. She embraces her confidence, and it helps her to lead others to their light awareness. She's all about business in a relationship. She can be loving too. And not to say that some of this doesn't fit in with the other women of being talented and highly motivated. It does. But these are the three type of women that I personally think materialistic, submissive, and alpha women are. But if you have your opinion, I would love to hear from you. So let's get into creating this butterfly bracelet, okay? So let's get started. I am going to use, I have my beaded board here, and this cord string came with the beaded board. And this is called, let me see, I have my glasses on. It's a strong string. It's the string is very strong, and it's crystal. It's a crystal string. Now, what it's made out of, I don't know. But if you can see here, you can pull and pull. It just doesn't break easily. Not saying that it would last forever, because it probably won't. But it's very strong. So we're going to use that one, okay? And what I'm going to do is start by beading. Let's get it set here. I hope you guys can see. Let me try to give you some more light in here. Let's put the light up here. Okay, so we're going to start by creating with this charm, the divider. That's what I call a divider. We're going to start by lining it up with a divider. And then we're going to put the green in here. Yeah. Then we're going to do, because it's going to be, we're going to do this again, because we're going to put the butterfly in between there. Uh-oh. So you have to be careful with these things. I got these nails on. It makes it a little complicated. But I'm learning how to work with them because I have somewhere to go, so I put some nails on. You know how we are as women. We like to look nice. Okay. I believe that is not correct. I'm going to do something here because I didn't like that. We're going to put this here. Just going to put this one in the middle for now. Okay. All right, we're going to do it that way. We're going to start with this one right here. And then we're going to continue. So what I did is I lined the beads up on my beader board. That's what the beader board for. It decides the bracelet and to line up your design. You create your design here on the beader board. So I wanted to always, you know, get my design already created. And then this is when I start lining up my beads. And I just keep going until I create the same design that I created here on the beader board, if that makes sense to you guys. So we just put this, me and these nails is just not friends when it comes to me designing my beads. Okay. I'm just going to keep on going on and on all the way. Let me put my glasses on because I try to work without my glasses, child. You see there? Put these glasses on. Then I can see what I'm doing. Because these little holes. Yeah, so that's just what we're going to do. But don't forget, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think about women. And men, don't think for 1 minute that you're off the hook. Because I have something for you guys as well. But right now we're talking about women. And just so you can get an understanding about who we are. And not saying that neither one of them are bad. You know, everybody have their own personality. And they are who they are. And if you're going to deal with someone, you have to deal with the person who they are. And when you get into a relationship, believe me, you know, or you come to realize who the person is. And it's your choice to line yourself up with certain type of women and men. I'm a big believer that women should be a woman, you know. I don't think that a woman should come in trying to rule men or be the man. Personally speaking, I think she has a problem with her herself and knowing what kind of relationship she wants. When a woman has too much of a masculine energy, I don't believe she wants to be with a man. I think she really wants to be with another woman, and that's just how I feel personally speaking. And I think that's what they should do. Go make yourself happy. Stop worrying about what somebody's going to say about you because you decide that this is what you want in your life. Whatever you want in your life, that goes for men and women. Be with whoever you want to be with because we don't really care. I could say something else, but I'm not going to come on here and use that language because normally I don't. I'm learning not to. I used to, but I'm learning not to use it because it doesn't make sense. I can express myself and explain myself without that. But you know what I mean. I think that they should go make themselves happy and be with who's going to make them happy. Don't come in here trying to break a man down because you think you want to be hard. To me, I think you're the one that need to be. And I'm going to take these scissors instead of using my tools that I normally use to cut the string. So I can get the other side. So this is one side. If you can see here, I'm already doing this side. And I'm going to do the other side. And I'm going to line it up exactly the same way that I lined it up the first side. The right or the left, whichever one I'm working on. And this is how you do it. So we get our little beautiful butterfly together. And be careful. I just almost picked up the wrong bead. Me and these nails. Ah! See? Maybe what we do to make ourselves feminine. That I am. I know what it's like to have be in a submissive relationship. My father and my mother, they did their part. My father respected my mother, you know, even though she was there to make sure the things are done in the house and take care of the kids the right way. She went out and had business and worked, you know. And he knew but his place when it comes to providing for his family. He made sure he provided for his family. He didn't worry about what she was doing, as long as she was doing the things that makes her home and him happy and herself. That's what it's all about. Not being selfish in a relationship. And I'll stress it again and again. I know what a woman's place is. I know what a man's place is. I have sons, and I have done a good job of raising them. And they're not perfect. My daughter, I have a daughter. I know what it's like. I know what it takes. Nobody's perfect. But I think I did a good job of raising respectful male and females. Because that is something that's very important to me. That we as parents try to raise our kids to be respectful and pray that they line themselves up with respectful male and females. Sometimes we just don't. We have to go through something. But hey, it is what it is. And I'm just running off. Just running off. But that's okay. This is a story time, right? But don't forget, go ahead, leave a comment, like, subscribe, so you can hear more. Let's make each other, let's talk to each other. Okay, here we go. If you can see it here, I'm almost done with it. It's very beautiful. I'm going to put the butterfly on. So we're going to go ahead and tie it. Before I tie it, I think I am going to, no, I don't want to do that. We're just going to leave it like this. We're going to go ahead and tie it. And what I'm going to do is tie one time, like that. Pull it like that, if you can see. Pull it enough. Then I'm going to knot it. I'm going to tie it one more time so I can knot it. And that's the way it can, so it won't break so easily. That's what we don't want. Oh, excuse that. That's my scent machine over there. Air freshener machine over there making that noise. And then we're going to tie a knot. This is what I do to try to keep it from. Try to get it closer. You want to get it down as far as you can get it close to the bead. And then between the bead so it won't. Okay, I think I got it. Now, this is what it looks like. Now we're going to place this bead on it. We're going to use my tool here. I'm going to open it up with the pliers to put the butterfly on. And the gripper. We're going to use the gripper here. Oh, yeah. We're going to grip it. Then we're going to open it up. So we're going to do it like so. Open it up like that. Then we're going to put the charm on. Stick the charm in there like that. Then we're going to place it in between here. Somewhere in here. Then we're going to close it back like so. Grip it. Be careful. Get it as tight as we can. Make sure it closes. Because you don't want it to come loose. And we're dipping it in there. Then we're going to take it. We're going to see what it looks like. I'm going to cut the string. And we usually put some glue in there. In the string, that way it don't. Let me see if I got some glue here. That way it don't. And you can use any glue that you chooses to use that's gonna hold the bracelets down. So I'm going to open it up. You can use anything, any kind of glue. You know, creative glue. That's what I say. Use some creative glue, which I'm using glue right here. Okay. And then we're going to cut the string. You can clip it with the cutters right here. These are cutters. Let me see if it works. Or we can use scissors. It doesn't matter. You can use scissors as well. Let me see. It works. Now, let's see what it looks like. Okay, we're going to put it on. Let's see. Let's sit it here first. Give it that look. So you see? That's that look. Now let's put it on our arm and see how it looks with it on. And this is how it looks on. And this is how it looks on. Yes. Look at it again. Let's move these out the way. Those are some I designed earlier. And here it goes. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up again and share and leave a comment. Talk with you later. Bye.